Which of the following is closest to 5 centimeters? The length of a full-size school bus, height of a picnic table, height of an elephant, length of your foot, length of your thumb. Well, I guess you just have to use common sense on this one. 5 centimeters is a very small distance, and of the answer choices, the one that makes the most sense would be the length of your thumb. So number 5, the answer is E. Which of the following is closest to 0? We draw a number line, and then on this number line, let's label these with the 0 being right here. Minus 1101, somewhere out here. Minus 1010, a little bit further to the right. And then minus 1001 is here. And then the plus 1110 would be here, and the plus 1011 would be there. So the one that's closest is obviously this guy, because it's only within 1001 of the 0, whereas the other one would be 1011, which is obviously a larger number. So the distance from that number to there is 1001, but the distance from here to here is 1011, and this is the smallest number of those two. So therefore, number 5, the answer is D. In the diagram, the coordinates of P could be, well, P is right here. It's over in the negative side of the x-axis, so the x-coordinate has to be negative, so that immediately eliminates A, B, and D. Now, P, if you were to draw a line down to here, it's less than -2. So it can't be C, because C is showing -3. So by process of elimination, number 5, the answer is E. Which of the following is the best estimate for the value of x shown on the number line? So this number is obviously between -1 and -2. And of the answer choices, that's not one of them, that's not one of them, that's not one of them, and neither is that. So just by knowing the fact that it's between -1 and -2, we narrow it down to B as the correct choice. The number 0.2012 is between. Well, this is 0 and 0.1. If you convert it to decimals, it might be a little bit easier for you. This is 0.1 and 0.2, that range. And this is 0.2 and 0.5, that range. 0.25. And this one again is 0.25 and 0.33 approximately. And finally, this is 0.33 and 0.5. So they're saying this number here, 0.2012, which range is it in? And it's this range right here. And that would be choice C for number 8. A small block is placed along a 10 centimeter ruler. Which of the following is closest to the length of the block? So they just want you to look at this ruler and match it up. And it looks like if you were to look at this ruler from here to here, it's obviously just slightly more than 2 centimeters. And of all the answer choices, the only one that comes close to that is C for number 10. Which of the following is closest in value to $1? Looking at these, this is obviously 0.5 away, this is 0.1 away, this is 0.05 away, this is 0.1, and this is 0.15 with regard to the difference between these numbers and 1, and obviously the closest one is D for number 1. Which of the following numbers is closest to 100 on the number line? If you have some number line and we have, let's say, 100 on it, and you were to write all these numbers that are in the answer choices, which one is closest? Well, I'll just write the two closest, 98 and 103, because the other ones are either less than 98 or greater than 103. 98 is within 2 of 100. 103 is within 3 of 100. So obviously the closest one to 100 is 98. So number 2, the answer is A. The integer 2014 is between. Well, it looks like they're talking about powers of 10. It's definitely between 1,000 and 10,000, looking at powers of 10. 1,000 is 10 to the power of 3, and 10,000 is 10 to the power of 4. So the answer choices, that would be D. A large cylinder can hold 50 liters of chocolate milk when full. The tick marks show the division of the cylinder into 4 parts of equal volume. Which of the following is the best estimate for the volume of chocolate milk in the cylinder as shown? 50 is the full capacity divided into 4 equal parts, so this will be 12.5, 25, and 37.5. So it's right below 37.5, so which of these answer choices is right below 37.5? And this would be the best selection. Number 4 is therefore D.